Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable open links in tabs instead of new windows in Firefox browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Firefox browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select settings option. Under Firefox settings, select this one general in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to this one tabs section. Here you need to check this one option, open links in tabs instead of new windows. This will open links in new tabs, and in case you want to open links in new window, just uncheck this one option. And once you have checked this one option, open links in tabs instead of new window. Now open a few web pages on your Firefox browser to test it if it is working or not, and then click on any link and it should automatically open in a new tab. As you can see, I have clicked on a link and it has opened in a new tab in Firefox browser.